What is up, Hitec Nation? Vance Olvera back with another video, and today we're going to be bringing you the brand new RDX2 1600. First thing we're going to do is take it out of the box, because this thing has so many features I want to show you that I can't waste any time. Included in the box is the RDX2 1600 Quick Start Guide, along with the charger and the power cable, all in our secure packaging to make sure that your product gets to you in pristine condition. The RDX2 1600 is Hitec's latest high-performance charger, designed for RC enthusiasts that utilize high-capacity packs for air and surface use. So the first thing you probably notice are our ginormous displays on the front. So the left side is for charging, and the right side is for our power supply. So right under our display, we have two channel buttons to check the condition of your batteries. Next to those, we have a start and stop button, one for each of your ports. And right in the middle, we have our scroll wheel, so we can navigate through our user-friendly interface. On the front side, we have two main ports, two balance ports, and two temperature sensor ports. On the left side, we have a USB-C port as well as our discharging port to connect our 8380 discharger. And on the right side, we have our DC power supply output, where you can plug in any of your accessories, like tire warmers, engine heaters, etc. This charger has multi-chemistry battery support, so that means you can charge anything from lithium-ion, lithium polymer, or whatever sort of batteries that you have. And to coincide with that, we have many different charge leads and adapters available on our website in case your packs do not use the XT60. And like I said previously, this charger was made to charge high capacity packs. And when we say high capacity, these two ports can dual charge up to 8 cell batteries. And dual charging isn't the only thing these ports do. They can also parallel charge and reverse discharge. Another thing to note about this charger is its safety and reliability. The RDX2 1600 has built-in safety precautions like temperature monitoring and overcharge protection. This charger also comes with a 1-year warranty, so if anything happens to it within the first year, send it back to us and we'll repair or replace it for free. So that about wraps it up for this video. If you guys were looking to pick one of these up for yourself, go ahead and check it out at our website at hitecrce.com. And if you guys were looking to keep up with all of our daily content, new releases, and discounts, go ahead and drop us a follow on all of our socials. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.